Carcalor. So, and you bottom vacant air blog, okay? So tá blog an seo faoi cluiche pelle Ghaelach. So lei an blog agus freigar na ceistena air, okay? So tá ceistena hain go dtí a hocht agus an sin hain agus a dó bun hiiscint, léir hiiscint. Now, what is our primary focus? Cad é an spruch an seo? Well, the end product of this, guys, is going to be to write our own blog, okay? So, tá méid ag fécint ar an blog seo, okay? Fécint ar an structúr, ag fécint ar na nachana cainte, and the phrases, okay? And we're going to adapt that for one for ourselves, okay? Don't worry if you're thinking, oh no, like ní raibh mé again, níl simime gom sa Blag Ghaelach or whatever. It can be ein sport or curbe. Could be na cluiche Olympica or na cluiche Paralympica, okay? But what we're going to take from this is all the really, really good vocabulary and phrases and structure that we are going to need for our own one, okay? So, féic ólas faoin gluthe, hui mé chuig cluiche canis na hÉireann, fel I borcan crocaigh de domhnigh sicache. Okay, ní acha mé a lehéad de cluiche riamh. I'd never seen a game like it, okay? Nach bhfuil an Gaeilge sin go hálinn ar fad. So instead of saying bhí an cluiche go hiontach, okay, we're trying to up our game, okay? Agus úsáid na nachana cainte sin, okay? So go through this thing with a fine-tooth comb, okay? Because if you're reading this, it's because you weren't in class today, okay? We went through everything with a fine-tooth comb. Agus lei mar gach focail agus gach frása, okay? So lei is sin, freigar na ceistena, cá raibh cluiche canis na hÉireann ar siúl, cad iad na contathe ar bhuaigh Mayo agus baile á clia orthu. What are the teams, what are the counties that Mayo and Dublin beat? Bhuaigh siad orthu sna cluiche la cheannis in the semi-finals, okay? So freigar na ceistena sin, léir hiiscint. Ar hahan an cluiche leis an údar. An údar sin an duine a scríomh an blog, sin an údar, the author. Tuair trí á le de chuairim, 3 reasons. If you're dó, ar éirigh leis an údar chur síos currathach a scríomh. Did the author succeed in writing an exciting blog or giving an exciting description? Okay? Nuair atá tú críochnathe, scríomh an blog. Okay? So scríomh an blog is teach sa chóp léir. How long should it be? Well, stick to this structure. Okay? Is it going to be quite long? Yes, it is. But it's because you are taking all of that structure and those phrases and everything and implementing that into your own. Okay? And please look at your e-leabhar. Okay? Thuras a tree. Look back. Look, tá lán folklore and show. Okay? So do good preparation for this. Dain an rave uber. Okay? That'll keep you going. Right, slán go fóill.